Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make underwater logo, on the fastest and easiest way. To create this video you will need Filmora 12. Before we start the video, go in my description, and get a subscription on Elements Envato for the best stock footage. Also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Flat Media. Firstly import your main background video to the timeline. Then drag and drop your logo that should be transparent. Logo I'm gonna import is well-known Instagram logo. Move background video to the right side for now. Then go in Stock Media tab, Film Stock and Solid Color. Search for some similar color to water. Now double click on logo, scroll down. Go to Drop Shadow, and enable it. Make sure type shadow is projection. Scroll a little bit, and increase distance highest as you can. Move shadow to the center. Then double click on sample color. And go to color tab. I will make color lighten, by increasing exposure, and decrease temperature. When you are done, take a snapshot. Then remove logo and sample color. And drag and drop snapshot to your timeline. Right-click on snapshot, and click on crop and zoom. Select custom. And make sure you crop as close as possible, only projection from shadow. Then move background back again. Now move shadow to the place you like. Then double click on snapshot and change color more similar to water. Then go to Image tab, scroll down to Compositing, and change Blend mode to Multiply. Then adjust color a little bit if needed. When you are done you can add some water effects. That's all. For more tutorials, please like this video and subscribe to Flat Media.